What is up YouTube, welcome back. It's your very technoboy and today I'm gonna unbox this package. As you can see, this is a speaker package from Edifier, and after did a lot of research online, I bought this thing and I found out that this is the very popular mini bookshelf speakers all over the world. So that's the box packing you can see, and it's the model number is R1280DB. So that's the speaker you can see, and the color is brown. I got this color. So you can see on this side, that's the color, that's the design, that's a 4-inch driver and a 1-inch tweeter and a passing port, and that's the grill on this thing, and that's the brown color you can see. So I like this very much, but that depends after I open this thing and listen to it by myself, then I can tell you how it is. So let's check out the box. Here you can see 42-watt harness, and it has Bluetooth and optical input and a coaxial input and RCA input, the most common one, and the voltage range is from 100 volt to 240. That's very nice, and also you get a remote control, a mini one you can see. And on this side the specs are there: power output 21 watt plus 21 watt left and right channel, and frequency response 55 Hz to 20 kilohertz, bass unit 4-inch, tweeter unit 13 mm silk dome tweeter. That's the specs you can see, and the MRP is 12,990, as you can see it right there. So I'm very much excited to open this box, so let's do that. Alright, so that's it. At the top you can see get a optical cable. That's a very nice thing. And then on this side the user manual, as I can see from the top. So let's remove this one. That's the optical cable. That's the user manual and warranty card. And now let's here you get a package which contains the remote control, the RCA cable, and one speaker cable, and one 3.5 mm to RCA cable. So very nice thing, everything is there inside the box, you don't need anything else. And that's it. That's the one in it. That's the left in it, I guess. You can see only speaker connector is here. So let's open this. And that's it. That's the one in it. That's the front grille with the silver lining in between. That looks nice, and the both sides are brown, and at the middle you can see that's kind of gray color. It's matte gray. And the first thing I feel, holding this in my hand and looking at this, it looks very premium, like it is. So let's remove this grill. Alright, now you can see that's a 4-inch full range driver. That's the tweeter, and that's the air passing port. That's it, very nice. Alright, let's take the other unit out of the box. So you can see the power cable is connected with this unit. Alright, so this is the other unit, and on this side you can see that's the volume control and the bass and the treble, and there is light indicator, Bluetooth indicator. So that's it. And the back side, you can see that's the metal panel here, the circuit board and all the stuff inside. That's the speaker out for the other units, and that's the switch. These are the RCA input, two of them, and one optical input, one coaxial input. That's the power cable. So that's it. And at the bottom you can see two screws are here. So that's, I think, the power supply unit is mounted at the bottom inside. So the same on this thing, but this thing is extra here. I think this is the sensor receiver for remote control. So that's it, and I'm very much excited to listen to the sound of this thing, and I'll do that. I'll check everything and then I'll give you a demo, of course, in details. So stay tuned for that, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.